Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Jagdeep Rosario. In previous class, you have learned closure property of rational numbers. And today I will teach you commutative property of rational numbers. And let us verify natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are commutative for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division or not. So without any delay, let's start. Commutative property. For any number a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a, then addition is commutative. And for any number a and b, a minus b is equal to b minus a, then subtraction is commutative. And for any given number a and b, a into b is equal to b into a, then multiplication is commutative. And any given number a and b, a divided by b is equal to b divided by a, then division is commutative. Now let us check for the numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers one by one. Now let us check for natural numbers whether addition is commutative or not. Let us substitute a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 7. And here b is equal to 7 and a is equal to 4. 11 is equal to 11. Therefore, any natural numbers a and b, addition is commutative. Let us write here, yes. Next, let us check for subtraction. Let us substitute 4 minus b is equal to 7 is equal to 7 minus 4. This is equal to 4 minus 7 is, this is minus 3 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So that natural numbers subtraction is not commutative. So that let us write no here. Next, let us check for multiplication and let us substitute the values of a and b. 4 into 7 and 7 into 4. 4 7 the 28 and 7 4 the 28. So that a into b is equal to b into a. Natural numbers multiplication is commutative. That is right? Yes. Next, let us check for division. A is equal to 4. 4 divided by 7 is equal to 7 divided by 4. Let us check here. 4 by 7. This is the 7 by 4. So that 4 by 7 is not equal to 7 by 4. So that for natural numbers, division is not commutative. So that let us write no. Next, let us check for whole numbers. Let us take the same numbers I have taken here, 4 and 7, so that the same thing calculations we can carry out. And the whole numbers addition is commutative. Let us write yes. And for whole numbers subtraction is not commutative. Let us write no. Any two whole numbers a and b, multiplication is commutative. Let us write yes. And for any two whole numbers a and b, division is not commutative. That is right? No. Now let us check for integers. Let us substitute the values. A is minus 7 and b is 5. Now b is 5 and a is minus 7. This is equal to minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. And 5 plus minus 7 is minus 2. So that left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means a plus b is equal to b plus a. Therefore, for integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. So that addition is commutative. That is right? Yes. Now let us check for subtraction. A is equal to minus 7 minus 5 and b is 5 and a is minus 7. Minus 7. Minus 7 minus 5 is 12. Minus 12. And plus and minus into minus plus. So that 5 plus 7 is 12. So that a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So that subtraction is not commutative. Let's write no. Next, let us check for multiplication. A is minus 7 into 5 and 5 into minus 7. 7 into 5 is minus 35 and 5 into minus 7 is minus 35. So that a into b is equal to b into a. So that is right. Yes. That means for integers a and b, multiplication is commutative. Next, let us check for division. A divided by b, that means minus 7 divided by 5. This is equal to b by a is 5 by minus 7. Minus 7. That means that minus 7 by 5 is not equal to 5 by 7. So that is right. Integers a and b, division is not commutative. That's right? No. Now let us test for rational numbers a and b, whether addition is commutative or not. First let us take a plus b. That means 5 by 8 plus 4 by 5. This is equal to 40 is the LCM and 5, 8 5 the 40 and 5 8 the 40. So that 5 5 was 25 plus 32. This is equal to 57 divided by 40. That is right. 1 here. And now let us check b plus a. That means 4 by 5 plus 5 by 8, which gives the same 32 plus 25 by 40. This is equal to 57 by 40. A plus b is 57 by 40 and b plus a is equal to 57 by 40. That means that a plus b is equal to b plus a. Addition is commutative. That is right? Yes. Now let us check for subtraction. That is right. A minus b is 5 by 8 minus 4 by 5. This is equal to LCM is 40. 8 5 are 40 and 5 8 are 40. Okay, 5 5 are 25 minus 32. This is equal to minus 7 by 40. Let us write 1 here. Next, let us check B minus A. B is 4 by 5 minus 5 by 8. This is equal to LCM is 40 and 5 8s are 40 and 8 5s are 40. 32 minus 25. This is equal to 7 by 40. Therefore, let us compare 1 and 2. That means A minus B and B minus A. A minus B is not equal to B minus A because this is minus 7 by 40 and B minus A is 7. Rational numbers A and B, subtraction is not commutative. Let us write no. Next, let us check for multiplication. Let us substitute the values. A into B, 5 divided by 8 into 4 by 5 and B into A is 4 by 5 into 5 by 8. This is equal to 5 for the 20 by 40 and this is also 20 by 40. This is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So that A into B is equal to B into A. That means that multiplication is commutative. That is right? Yes, here. And finally, we will check for division. Let us write A divided by B. A is 5 by 8 divided by 4 by 5 and let us write B by A 4 by 5 divided by 5 by 8. Now let us write 5 by 8 into, let us take the reciprocal. This is becomes 5 by 4 and 4 by 5 and when we take the reciprocal and we will change the sign of into and it will become 8 by 5. So that 5 5 is 25 by 32 and this will become 32 by 25. So that the 25 by 32 is not equal to 32 by 25. This means that A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. We will write here. So that rational numbers A and B division is not commutative. That is right? No. Now let us revise once again. Natural numbers A and B. Addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, and division is not commutative. And whole numbers, similar to that of natural numbers, addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, and division is not commutative. And integers A and B, addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, and division is not commutative. Rational numbers A and B, addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, and division is not commutative. I feel you have learned commutative property of rational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Now I am going to wrap up my video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please press on like button, and if you are not subscribed my channel still, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. Let us meet in next video with next property of rational numbers.